Hello students. So let us solve another question of TIFR 2024, and this question is related to differential equation of first order. Okay, so let us solve. So there are two equations given and we have to just tell that the solutions of these equations define a family of curves. What is the family of curves? So in fact you should know that if we want to write the family of curves, so finally we have to replace time. Okay, it should be in x and y. Okay, so let us do that. So our first equation is dy by dt is equal to a. Okay, this is our first equation, and y will become, if I integrate, it will become at plus c1, correct? And second equation is dx by dt is equal to ay. Okay, and why is this? So dx by dt will become equal to at plus c1. Okay, I have substituted the value of y, and now again it is a variable separable equation. So dx will become at plus c1 into dt, and again integrate both sides. X will become at square by 2 plus c1t and plus a new constant c2. Correct? Now we don't want time because we want to know the trajectory. So calculate the value of time from first equation. It will be y minus c1 by a, and you have to put it here. So x will become a by 2 into y minus c1 by a square plus c1 y minus c1 by a plus bracket close plus c2. So you can see that at one side it is y square coming and another side you have x, and so this equation can be written as y square is equal to some power of x, first power of x. So this represents parabola. Okay, so this equation is parabola. You can simplify this, but that is not required for this question, so you can just stop here that this will be a parabola. Okay, thank you.